I was sent this DIY lip gloss making kit in exchange for this video. Very cute box to start off with. Let's go ahead and open it up, see what's inside, and we're going to be trying it out. Okay, so it looks like we have everything here that we need. We have the beautiful pigments in these containers. We have sparkle here, it looks like. We have tubes if we want to make lip gloss in our tubes, and then we also have these beautiful containers with the like the doe foot brushes included. All of the tools for mixing. We have the measuring cups, we have spoons, we have syringes it looks like, we have a dropper bottle here, and then this container. So I'm going to go ahead and take these instructions out and see just what everything is. So very clearly we have right here how to make your lip gloss, and then it has the important tips here on the back as well. So I have a towel here, and I have all of the pieces set up to go ahead and get started making our lip balms. And like I said, this card says very clearly how to make lip gloss, so it has some tips too on the back. So let's go ahead and get started now. So this is the lip gloss base. So the first thing to do is to pour some of that in one of these beakers. 50 to 80 milliliters in the beaker. All right, so let's go ahead and do that now. I think that's about 50. I'm gonna put the lid back on. We have our steel spoon, so you can add alcohol to this and go ahead and sanitize this before use. So we have all of our beautiful pigments to choose from. Let's go ahead and get those out and take a look at all of these beautiful colors here. So many pretty colors. I think I would like to go with a pink for springtime. So I'm gonna open this up. It has the special seal on here. And you just take the metal spoon and add a spoonful of our pigment. And then you add some jojoba oil. So that is in this jar right here. So you add 2 to 5 drops, or 3 to 5 drops. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna go with 4 drops in here. And then we want to add some glitter. So you add at least a half a spoon of glitter. Let's go ahead and open that. Very pretty and sparkly. So at least a half spoon. So we've added that. Now we start to stir well for at least 2 minutes. And you can see there what it is looking like. So pretty. How fun is that? That's gonna be so fun to make my own lipstick. I love lipstick and lip glosses. You can see that is a very pretty color. So of course you can mix these if you wanted to and mix different colors. So you just mix this well, like I said, for about 2 minutes. You want to stir your mixture. Next up we have the sterilized syringe. So we want to take that and connect the silicone hose to the syringe. And then we can add our, suction out our lip gloss with that. And then we have all of these tubes, so we can go with a tube if we want, or we can use these. I think for this, I'm gonna go with the tubes. And then we add that into the tube and just start filling it up with our new lip gloss. So I have a nice syringe full right here. Put that in our tube, and you can see it's filling up. This is so much fun. I cannot wait to try some of the other colors as well, especially like the red. I think that's gonna be very pretty. I also can't wait to see what this looks like on. All right, so we just keep going until this is completely full. Our tube is full. Now we're ready to insert this little applicator tip and screw our cap on, and we have our own personalized lip balm. Now it's time to try this one on. Here's my lip balm that I made. Let's try this on now. It feels great, and I think it is very pretty, perfect for spring. So much fun. I'm gonna finish trying out the rest of these now.